In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do dictation in Microsoft Word for beginners. If you've ever wished you could just talk instead of type, this feature is going to be really useful. We'll walk through how to find the dictation tool in Word, how to use it effectively, and a few simple tips so your text comes out clean and professional, even if you've never tried speech-to-text before. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. You can use either a new blank document or an existing document you want to add text to. Once Word is open, look toward the top of the screen where you see the main toolbar, also called the ribbon. Make sure you're on the Home tab. This is usually selected by default, and it's where most of the basic tools live. On the right-hand side of the Home tab, you should see a button labeled Dictate, often with a small microphone icon. If you don't see it, your window might be too narrow, so try maximizing Word to full screen or expanding the window. You'll also need an active internet connection and a working microphone, either built in or plugged in. When you're ready, click the Dictate button. You may see a brief message letting you know that your speech is being sent to Microsoft servers to convert it into text. If you're comfortable with that, go ahead and confirm. Once dictation is active, you'll usually see a small microphone indicator on the screen. When the microphone is solid or shows as listening, you can start speaking naturally. Begin talking at a normal, clear pace. Try to face your microphone and avoid covering it with your hand. As you speak, you should see your words appear in the document automatically. To add punctuation, say it out loud. For example, comma, period, question mark, or new line. To move to the next line. It can feel a little strange at first to say punctuation, but you'll get used to it quickly. If Word types something incorrectly, just pause, move your cursor with your mouse or keyboard, and fix the mistake manually. Then click the Dictate button again to continue, or use the on-screen microphone control to resume. You can turn dictation off at any time by clicking the Dictate button once more. When you're finished, read through your text, make any final edits, and save your document as you normally would. With a bit of practice, dictation can make writing faster, easier, and more comfortable, especially for longer documents.